early today. I'm heading to Subaru. I'm gonna have the nose garnish installed. I hope they do a good job because lately I haven't been happy with the service. I'm sorry. But the guys on the back end are really doing good. It's just that the plate thing that they did, wherein it went to the bumper and it destroyed it, whatever. Fucking asshole. Anyway, made me hate it again. Okay, I'm heading there again, and I'm having it installed. So let's see how we go. Oh. So yeah, love the chairs in this. The leather seats are good. Yeah, very good. Want to have it. Yep. BRZs. Ooh, wow. Already got the nose garnish installed, and it looks good. Thing is, there's some things that I'm really disappointed about it. I just realized that they're just like using those double-sided tapes. It's rubber though, but they're using those double-sided tapes, which are a bit thicker. It should be good, but the thing is, I can see on the edges and the sides of the garnish that it's not sticking because of the double-sided tape, so it's like floating. So it looks kind of janky, and I reckon it should look like that. I don't know, but it's gonna affect wind resistance and everything because it's not flush to the body of the car. So disappointing with that. Also, they charged me a bit of labor. It's annoying. It's posted online. It's this amount fitted, and then they fit it in, and they charge me for labor. So I'm like, fuck. They gave me a pricing which was discounted because they messed up my bumper, but it's like it's not upfront. They told me this price and they didn't. Oh yeah, bullshit. Anyway, done with it. Done with the dealer. I just got home and I'm gonna do a bit of cleaning with the car. The thing is, I did wash it earlier. I just realized that dirt sticks to it easily, and I was choosing the gray one because I had black one. I know that it's going to be a lot of dirt. It's going to stick to it, but just realized this one here. I can see dust. I did ceramic coating. Could be ceramic coating doing that. I don't know. But yeah, we'll clean it. So quick wipe up. And yeah, we're good to go. And Manisha, this is the garnish. So it should be good. Awesome. So just got my car cleaned, and this is a bit smaller. I have a bigger one, but I like the smaller one. That should be good. And yeah, so here's the nose garnish. And if you're OCD with stuff, they just stick this with double-sided tape, so you can see at the side here. Look at that. Yeah, you can see. It is what it is, but it looks good. I love it in my car. And yeah, all good.